The quarry was a giant's playground. Huge white marble mountains rose into the sky. Sun glinted off the polished stone. Dust filled the air. It was a dangerous place, but a good place to make a living. Jake gripped the excavator's controls. He was a mountain man, tough and strong. The machine was his beast, powerful and obedient. Their job was simple but brutal. Rip the marble from the mountain, load it onto trucks. Every day was a fight against nature. The excavator's teeth bit into the mountain. Metal screeched against stone. A deep crack snaked across the marble face. Higher and higher it climbed. Jake felt a tremor. Something wasn't right. He hesitated. Too late. A deafening roar split the air. The world exploded in white. Tons of marble crashed down. Jake was thrown forward, helpless. The excavator groaned under the weight. Darkness. Silence. He was trapped, buried alive.